All right, folks. 1970 Dodge Coronet RT convertible, 426 Hemi 4-speed car. Let's start her up. Sounds good. Take a look at that tachometer. Working good. Looks like the clock's working. 63,200 original miles. This is an AM 8-track car, pretty cool. Tell you something else that's kind of cool. Power windows. Look at that. All right, let's put her in gear. Let's go ahead and put her in gear, first gear. Headed on the highway. See the steering column locking instructions. Another little detail from our friends at ECS. How many of you have driven in a 1970 Hemi Coronet RT convertible 4-speed car? Probably not many. Gotta close my door though. There it goes. Well, I gotta tell you, that feels good. Just a nice car. Such a solid car for a convertible. You guys got to see that thing moving around. That's the longest shifter in the world. All right, taking this over across town so we can get a wheel alignment on it. Woo! Now that's some torque right there. You hear those dual fours open? Oh my. Sorry, kind of hard to hold on to very nicely. Get this over here where I can do something with it. Hold it a little better. Alright. I gotta lug it a little bit because I only got two hands. I can't shift. Look at that beautiful shifter. Real smoky out right now. There's a lot of forest fires, unfortunately, in our area. Kind of sad. A lot of people lost their houses. A lot of people lost a lot of things. Hopefully we get some rain soon. Hemi 410 Super Track Pack, 4-speed, 70 Coronet RT convertible. So what we're talking about, folks.